guys, welcome to another video. Today we're building the underground train. That's amazing, absolutely amazing. So I'm going to give you some time to get your blocks, and there's the blocks. Alright, you can pause the video. So what you do is get your red and put it like this. Your track, it has to be about like this. This is 3 carts. I'll only show you 1 cart today. It really do take a long time, so bear with me. So what you want to do is just go back up and up, and then on the side, as you can see here, just do that to make the a door. Sorry guys, I'm really now I don't have the right block now. I need that grey. We need the hoppers for a long time for our wheels. There's that, guys. Another clear. Yeah. And daytime there, guys. Let me just get my phone. Oh, the whole. Where's that, guys? We will just be in a sec. Alright, after that, you have to make this blue.
I was saying one night, but now I'm moving my whole computer upstairs. But maybe when I'm done now, I'll come back on.
Daniel, can you just tell everyone something? What do you have to do?
What do you mean? What do you have to do?
What do you have to do to the YouTube channel? No, making a video.
Do what? To do what?
To hit that like button! Yay! We're making a video, Daniel. Daniel. So you need this, right? You said, I heard him say you have to hit that like button and subscribe. Well done, Daniel. Well done. You have to clap for Daniel. The same. Well done, Daniel. Oh. I'll tell. He's my friend, guys. He doesn't have a channel, but yeah, he told us to hit that like button. Yay! This is so hard. And then you just do this to make it nicer. Now let's make the floor. So the floor doesn't matter. I put it into that. You can count, because I'm not good at maths. Up to there, about, and then just build away. I forgot the number, sorry. I don't brush my teeth. Oh dear. Oh. In the next video, guys, I'll be doing a video when whatever someone draw, I will build in Minecraft for them. I know, it's sad. And what I'm just doing right now is just putting in all the blue. And now I'm just putting the snow. If you don't know what this white is, it's not concrete, it's snow. I find it easier to look at it like snow. It looks loads better. I will put the doors in the middle in a minute. Just trying to build this. And then put your doors in. And we can do the windows right now. Can't we? And then I'll do the red section. If you don't know what the underground train is, it's just where a train goes underground. Yeah. The underground trains can be on land. It can be. Only if you're too stupid enough to let it happen. Let me just get my trapdoors. Is it trapdoors? No, iron door. On the ready. Oh, go and put the iron door down. So we'll do the wherever they draw. I will build. It'll be simple. I had a go at it. It's really fun. Don't press my keys. And yeah. I do have a update tour on my world soon as but well done for Daniel saying you have to hit that like button. And I'm just trying to build away here, guys, so and if you comment down below what you want me to build, I'll do a tour on it, and I'll put your name, your Minecraft name if you have a Minecraft account, or your Google account name on it, and you are allowed, only if you have Xbox, you can come into my world and build. Only if you say, Thomas, I want to build in your world. Because I'm going to make it a server, but I don't know how to. So if you want to join this server, it's called, I don't know, Minecraft City. Let's do that. Yeah, Minecraft City. It's just called Minecraft City, and it's just building a city basically. And there'll be like all about like mainly like vehicles, trains. That's what I'm looking forward to. I'm also looking forward to like buildings like a stadium, a rocket. I'm really excited for that, so yeah, I have to still. Talking about this, you have to go like this, and then like that. Like that. So the next bit is very simple. Oh great. You just put this on. And then we'll do the wheels. I tried to be clever there. Oh, it's got that red window to do. And then we can go onto the wheels to cover it up, guys. Oh, we haven't got a glass. Alright, so now we're going to make the wheels. Nope, whoops. That was a big, huge mistake. Now we can just get rid of this. Get rid of that. So what you want for the wheels is pretty basic, really. You see these two, you just put 1, 2, 3, 4, then you just get black until you see here, until the last two, as you can see. And then you will have your train almost done. And that is the train. Yeah. Remember, subscribe, hit that like button that Daniel said, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!